he started from home and he start, I will drive my car at 20 kilometer per hour. Right, Shabab? Everybody with me? Shabab with me? A lot of brothers are writing.
Yes.
That's good. That's good. So as his PV, his process variable reaches at 120 kilometer per hour. What is the error, Shabab? What is the error now?
0.
0. That's good. Lot of brothers they are writing 0. So output of the controller should be 0 according to this formula. Put the error 0, KC, output will be 0. In reality, is it like that? As soon as our speed reaches 120 km per hour, we remove our foot from the accelerator, Shabab? Is it like this? No. Lot of brothers they are writing no. So still we keep pushing the accelerator. Another example. For example, our set point is 25 degrees centigrade in this room. And as soon as the PV reaches 25 degrees centigrade, error is 0, so output should be 0. Is it possible to keep the temperature 25 degrees centigrade and the output of the controller is 0? So no cold air is coming. Is it possible to keep the temperature 25 degrees centigrade, Shabab? No. Lot of brothers are writing no, it is not possible. So it means this formula is not complete. This formula is missing something. Right, Shabab? This formula is missing something. So that's what it is missing. It is missing. This formula is working whenever the error is not 0. But as soon as the error is 0, this formula is not working. So we need to correct this formula. So how to correct it? So whenever error is 0, we will put a factor there. That's what we say, manual reset. MR, manual reset. What is manual reset, Shabab? Somebody gonna tell us? Yes, brothers. Manual reset. Yes, brother, manual reset.
It's same as output, I guess. When
The controller output.
Input, not output.
It is
What is manual
same
reset, Shabab?
I think it is same as the set point, but it is work the carry set point.
Yes, Shabab. Everybody knows the rooftop tank.
Is it the initial
Shabab,
value
you guys
of
know
the
the rooftop
output?
tank, right?
Initial value of
Everybody
output.
knows the rooftop tank, Shabab. There is a tank at the rooftop, right? And it has water. Everybody knows that, right? Yes, Shabab. Everybody knows the rooftop tank. Yes, lot of brothers are writing yes. Okay, now imagine there is a situation, the water is still there, but when you open the tap in the kitchen, in the bathroom, you open the tap, water is not coming. Have you guys faced this situation?
Yes.
Lot of brothers they are writing yes. So why the water is not coming? Still the water is in the tank. All the pipes are good. Everything is good. But when you open the tap in the kitchen, in the bathroom, water is not coming. So why it is like that? Yes, Shabab. Any brother?
The air, teacher.
No pressure.
Lot of brothers they are writing the pressure. Yes. Pressure means what? The pressure above the tank and pressure below the tank is equal. Pressure above the water and pressure below the water, they are equal. So it is not moving. Another example, for example, we drink the Pepsi, right, Shabab? We put the straw in the Pepsi. Pepsi is not coming. Why it is not coming? Why the Pepsi is not coming, Shabab? Yeah, Shabab. Same reason. There is no pressure difference. The pressure, a lot of brothers they are writing pressure above the straw and below the straw. We take the Pepsi, we put a straw in it. If the pressure above the straw and below the straw are equal, Pepsi will not come. So what we do? We do this thing. So what we create? We create a difference in the pressure. So same for the rooftop tank. If the pressure above the water and below the water is same, the water will not flow. It will stuck. So what we do? We go upstairs and manually we reset it. We reset it with our hand. So we change the PV of the water. That will change the pressure. We stir. Lot of brothers they are writing. So it will change the pressure above and down. So difference of the pressure will be created. Then it will start flowing. So this term MR came from their manual reset. So what we will do, we will add M is equal to KCE plus MR. So if we know even error is 0, for example, error is 0, so output is equal to MR. So now this formula is completed. Now even error is 0 here. See, even the error is 0. Even then we have some output, maybe 10%, 20% to make it working. So even the error is 0 here. Even the error is 0, output will not be 0. So you need to push the accelerator to maintain the 120 km per hour. Here same, even the temperature error is 0, but again you need to bring some cold air to maintain the temperature at 25 degrees centigrade. And if it is like cold weather, maybe you need to bring some hot air to maintain the temperature 25 degrees centigrade. Yes, brothers, any question up to here? Please ask. Some brother has any question? Please ask. A lot of brother they are writing no. Still, if some brother has any question, please ask, Shabab. Please ask if you have any question, please. Yeah, Shabab.
If Ka equal, for example, 4, and
Sorry?
if gain equal 4, gain equal 4, also error equal 2.
Gain equal?
4.
Okay,
4.
then?
Will error 3, and error 3, teacher.
Still, we are not solving the problem. We will solve the problem soon. Don't worry. We're going to solve a lot of problems. They are coming. So right now, out of this, if you have any question, please ask.
No, thank you.
If you want to solve the problem, we have a lot of problems, inshallah. We're going to solve them.
No, teacher.
If some brother has a question here, please ask. Okay, that's good. A lot of brothers, they are writing up to here, no question. So as soon as we start the problem, then you ask your problem, no problem. We'll inshallah solve it. No, Shabab. You can see here,